Today, I'm teaching you how to create a Revolut account in 2025 step by step. Whether you're completely new to Revolut or just want to see the latest sign up process, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, head over to your phone's App Store or Google Play Store and search for Revolut. Once you find the official app, go ahead and download and install it. Once the app is installed, open Revolut. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap Create Account to begin. Now, enter your mobile number. Make sure it's correct because Revolut will send you a verification code via SMS. Type in the code once you receive it to verify your phone. Next, you'll be asked what country of residence, email address. After that, you'll fill in some personal information like your full name, date of birth, home address. This is required to comply with regulations and helps keep your account secure. Now comes identity verification. You'll need to scan a government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license and take a quick selfie to prove it's really you. Don't worry, Revolut uses this info solely for identity checks and keeps your data safe. Once you've completed the ID verification, Revolut will review your info. Most users get approved within minutes and you'll be notified as soon as your account is ready. And that's it. Your Revolut account is now live.